Hello students, welcome to JCE Connect channel. Now we'll study the collector emitter current and the input resistance at the emitter of small signal approximation of BJT. Now this is with respect to small signal operation model only. It is a continuation of small signal operation and model. This is a continuation of previous class. We have derived in the previous class the RPi. The RPi is the resistance at the base. The RPi is the resistance at the base. Now we are finding the resistance at the emitter. Denoted as Re. The previous class it was denoted as RPi, the resistance at the base. Now we are finding the resistance at the emitter. We know that the instantaneous emitter current IE is denoted as IE DC current plus the AC current. The IE is instantaneous current, which is equals to DC current plus AC current. DC current plus AC current. And we all know that IE is equals to IC by alpha. Similarly, then I can write small IE as IC by alpha. We know that this IC formula, small IC formula is IC divided by VT into VBE. And this alpha will be as it is. Now, this IC by alpha is what? IE. Now, VT as it is, VBE as it is. This is the expression for IE. And we know that the resistance, if we denote the small signal resistance between the base and the emitter, we want to find the resistance at the emitter, or the resistance between the base and the emitter is denoted as Re, and it is given by the formula VBE divided by IE. And Re is also given by VT divided by IE. This is a formula for resistance between the emitter and the base, or even it can be written as VT by IE. And the resistance at the base is given by RPi, which is equals to VBE by IB. This is the standard formula for the resistance at the base. Now similarly, resistance at the emitter is given by the formula VBE, this one, VBE by IE. This is the resistance at the emitter, this is the resistance at the base. Now from here I'll find VBE, which is RPi into IB. From here also I'll find VBE, which is Re into IE. From both the side I'll find this VBE. Now both of them are equated since they are equal. So RPi into IB is equals to Re into IE. From this I'll find the resistance at the emitter as Re is equals to RPi into IB by IE. This is the expression for RPi. This is a resistance expression, or even RPi can be written as IE by IB into Re. And then even this can be written as RPi is equals to IE is represented as beta plus 1 times IB into Re divided by IB. From where we have got this beta plus 1? We know that IE is equals to IC plus IB, and IC is beta times IB plus IB. If I'll take common as IB, it becomes 1 plus beta, or beta plus 1. Same thing I have substituted here for IE. Now this is now RPi formula, or RPi. This will go, or RPi is equals to beta plus 1 times Re. Now I can write Re as RPi by beta plus 1, or RPi as beta plus 1 times Re. This is with respect to now the resistance, input resistance at the emitter. Now next we'll move on to voltage gain of the small signal of voltage gain. We'll take the voltage gain. To establish an output voltage signal, we may force this emitter current to flow through a resistor. Then we can write this VC is equals to VCC minus IC RC, or VC as VCC. This IC becomes IC plus IC into RC, or I can write VC as VCC minus IC RC minus IC into RC, or this can be written as, this VC can be written as VC minus IC into RC. This is the DC bias voltage at the collector, and this is the signal voltage. Now then I can write VC as minus IC into RC, or IC becomes minus GM into VBE RC as it is, or VC becomes minus GM RC into VBE. I'll rearrange it. Or the voltage gain of the amplifier AV is equals to VC by VBE, which is equals to minus GM into RC. Now this is the gain. Now next step is I'll be drawing the hybrid pi model. This model represents the BJT as a voltage controlled current source and explicitly includes the input resistance looking into the base R pi. Actually, if I want to draw the hybrid pi model, then I'll be getting IC expression as GM into VBE, and I'll be getting IB expression as VBE divided by R pi. And we know that, or else I'll write once again here, we know that IC is equals to GM into VBE. We know this formula, as well as we know that IB as VBE by R pi. Just now we have done. And IE becomes IC plus IB. Then I'll be substituting here GM into VBE plus VBE by R pi. Or if I'll just arrange them, VBE by R pi, if I'll take common, VBE by R pi, if I take common, it becomes 1 plus GM into R pi. Now VBE by R pi into bracket 1 as it is, GM into R pi becomes beta. Or even it can be written as VBE by R pi whole divided by 1 plus beta. I'll take this term here. Then this is VBE R pi by 1 plus beta becomes, just now we have seen it is RE. Just now we have done R pi by 1 plus beta becomes RE. Now if I want to write GM into VBE, it becomes GM as it is. VBE is what? It is IB into R pi. Now if I want to write GM into VBE in the list adjusted form, GM into R pi into IB. Now I will draw the hybrid pi model. Now I'll be having here base, this is my collector, and this is my emitter. Now from base I'll be having the current as IB. From the collector I'll be having the current as IC. Now we'll be having IE. If I want to write the IE expression, IE is, I'll be getting here emitter current here as IE. Emitter current here as IE, which is coming from the base and which is coming from the collector. IE current is IB plus IC. I have written, and here it I have written. It is IE current is IC plus IB. IB is what? VBE by R pi. VBE by R pi. So I'll be writing, I will be drawing like this. This is VBE R pi. Now one more term we have, IE as GM into VBE. This is a gain. So this is GM into VBE. I'll repeat once again. IE is IC plus IB. Now this is my IE current, this plus this, and IB is what? VBE by R pi and GM into VBE. And this is the structure. And this represents the BJT as a voltage controlled current source. Any doubt you have, you can ask me personally. This is the hybrid pi model of our BJT.